Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to share with you how I create an illusion over my eyelash bands just to make it look as if it's brand new. All you would need is just a wing liner stencil, any one of those liners, preferably a fine tip so you can mark over the band, as you guys can see. So I'm covering those glitters that I was unable to remove when I tried to remove the lash glue, well, the old lash glue is what I want to see. So yeah guys, this is just an easy method that I do, and it works out perfectly fine for me, and it makes my bands look so spanking brand new. What I don't like is using the water method and then my band curve goes out of place. So here a subscriber asked me to do my lashes on camera. I'm not a pro, and I've always stressed on my channel that I'm not no beauty artist, but basically I use a tacky eyelash glue. The eyelash glue that I love to use is by J-Cap, but I did however go ahead and purchase some House of Lashes glue to try those. And guys, basically when you're applying it, you want to hold your eyes down and then try and center the eyelash, but make sure that the glue is actually very tacky. After I apply those lashes, I wait at least a minute to make sure that it's dried correctly, and then I go under with a mascara with my natural lashes and then try and use the mascara to darken it. If you guys can see under the eyelash where you can see my natural lashes where it's still at a brownish tintish color, that is because it's the foundation. So once you use the mascara will create the illusion that it blends in with the lashes and it looks as if it's all natural. So anyhow guys, this is gonna be just a quick tutorial and a quick hack, and I hope that you guys love it. Please do leave a comment if you like. Okay beautiful people, so that is how I create a illusion over the band of the eyelash to make it look as if it is brand new, because after we have worn these lashes for X amount of time, and I know I've seen some people on YouTube actually go ahead and wash it, but I've noticed that when they do wash it, the lash itself actually loses its form, which is around the band. Not only just around the band, but also the style pattern of how the lashes flare, it's completely different. So for me, what I would do is just take a warm cotton swab, well, not a cotton swab, dip it in warm water and just gently remove the excess amount of latex glue that you use, your eyelash glue. And with the band of the eyelash, then I will just go ahead and use that trick that I just did, and that is just to line it so it looks spanking brand new when you apply your lashes. And if you want to go over ahead and reline your eyes, I don't line my eyes because I've explained this 100 million times on my channel. I am not a makeup artist. I just go ahead and do whatever floats my boat. I struggle with lining eyes. And yeah, I've also incorporated, if you guys can see, I applied my lashes on camera because one of my subscribers asked me to, so I went ahead and did that as well for her, which is kind of weird because I struggle with applying lashes, guys. I literally struggle, but I guess I applied it good on this time around. So anyhow, if you guys do love this video and do love this hack slash applying my lashes, then please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my video, and I will see you in the next one.